Hello student, welcome back to VHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So we are learning chapter that is chapter 5, our food and its digestion. So in the previous video we have learned about our food and its nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Now in this video we will talk first about vitamins. Now we can get vitamins in from the fruits, vegetables, eggs, chicken, and cellulose. Now, first, these are the sources of vitamins we can get from. Means if we will eat fruits and vegetables, eggs, chicken, and cellulose, we can get vitamins from there. Now, first, vitamins. What is the importance of vitamins in our body? Vitamins keep our body very healthy as we need only a little amount or small amount of small quantities of vitamins to keep our body healthy. They help our body in many ways like they protect us from eye diseases, skin diseases, and body pains and body ache. Okay, so that's why vitamins are very important for our body. That's why vitamins are also known as protective food. Okay, the vitamins are also called as protective food because they protect us from different kind of diseases like eye diseases, skin diseases, and body ache. Now, again, we can get vitamins by eating green leafy vegetables, fruits, cellulose, chickens, eggs, or milk. So, in this way, from these resources, we can get vitamins. Now, there are so many types of vitamins like vitamins A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and so on. If we have a lack of vitamin A, that means we will we have to face the eye diseases. We can lose our eyesight. So that's why vitamin A is very important from our eyesight. If we have a lack of vitamin C in our body, then we can suffer from skin diseases, or that is also called scurvy. Okay, so that's why vitamins are very important for our body. Again, I'm repeating, vitamins are very important for our body. They are very healthy for us, and we need only a small quantity of vitamins as they protect us from eye diseases, skin diseases, and body ache. And vitamins are also known as protective food. We can get vitamins from fruits, vegetables, cellulose, eggs, and chickens. Now we have a next nutrient that is minerals. Okay, that is minerals. So minerals are very important, or we can say minerals are needed to build strong bones and teeth. Okay, that's and also to make blood. We have in our body we have so many types of minerals which are why we need minerals build our bones strong and teeth also strong, and also they make blood for our body as we need only a small quantity of minerals for our body. There are different types of minerals in our body like iron, calcium, phosphorus, iodine, zinc. These all minerals are present in our body like iron, calcium, phosphorus, iodine, zinc, etc. And we can get these minerals by eating fresh fruits, cereals, green leafy vegetables, sprouts, milk, and iodized salt. Now I will tell you again the each minerals and its sources. As in our body we have a need first minerals, that is iron, and the use of iron minerals, iron make our blood. As sometimes we hear from the doctor that we have a lack of blood, because so when we have a lack of blood we eat iron tablets or we eat food which contain iron. Okay, so iron is important for our blood. So we can get this iron from green leafy vegetables. Okay, if we eat green leafy vegetables like spinach, we can get iron for our body. Next minerals we have calcium. Okay, which makes our bones strong, which is important for our teeth. So we can get calcium by drinking milk. So from the milk we can get calcium. As phosphorus. Okay, phosphorus is also one of the minerals. By we can get this phosphorus from meat, fish, eggs, and so on. Next, iodine. Iodine is very important for our health, so we can get this iodine from iodized salt. Okay, there in the market this type of salt is present, iodized salt, so we can get iodine from this type of salt. Next, zinc. Zinc we can get from whole grains. Okay, zinc minerals we can get from whole grains. Whole grains we all know that, like wheat and all. So we can get the zinc by eating whole grains. Now we have a next important topic, that is balanced diet. As whenever we feel hungry we eat whatever we like to eat, but for our body, to keep our body healthy, it is important to eat as a balanced. Okay, which is known as balanced diet. The food we eat daily is called as diet. Okay, the food we eat daily is called as diet, and the diet that contains the required amount of all the nutrition in correct proportion is called as balanced diet. Again I'll repeat, the diet that contains the required amount of all the nutrients in correct proportion is called a balanced diet. Means whatever we are eating, it should contain a balanced proportion of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins. Means all the nutrients should be in correct proportion whenever we take a diet or whenever we eat our food. So now, as a balanced diet tell us what amount of fruits we have to eat, what amount of vegetables, what amount of rice chapati, and what amount of pulses and beans, and what amount of dairy product we have to take in our daily diet. Now water is not a nutrient. Okay, water is not a nutrient but is needed by our body for proper functioning of our body. Okay, so water is needed for all the normal activities of the body like digestion and absorption. Okay, water is not a nutrient, still it is very important for our body, for the digestion of our food, for the absorption of our food. Okay, as it is prescribed by the doctor, for the 4 to 5 kg of weight, we have to drink 1 liter. As our weight is 20 kg, that means daily anyhow we have to drink 2 to 3 liter of water. 2 to 3 liter of water. And for keep our body healthy, it is required to everyone at least drink 4 to 5 liter of water daily. 4 to 5 liter of water daily for keep our body healthy. Now roughage, the next thing we have, roughage is neither a bodybuilding food nor it is an energy giving food. Okay, roughage is neither a bodybuilding food or nor it is an energy food, but it helps in digestion. So we get roughage by eating the plant food having more fiber. Roughage means which contains fiber. Fiber is not a bodybuilding food nor energy giving food, but it is important for our digestion. So we can get this roughage by eating plants food having more fiber like fruits and vegetables. So okay, fruits and vegetables are good source of roughage. Means fruits and vegetables are good source of fiber. Fiber is not a bodybuilding food, not energy giving food, but it's help in the digestion of our food. So again, the balanced diet, the diet that contains the required amount of all the nutrients in correct proportion, is called as balanced diet. Now, different food requirement means there are we have so many family members in our family, and all the family members require different foods based on their depending on their age and nature of their work. So we will talk about the different food requirement for different ages. Like infants are mostly fed on milk or semi-solid food. Means the food requirement for the infant is milk or semi-solid food. Now, growing children need lot of energy to play and study. Okay, growing children like you needs lot of energy to play and study. So they need a food that is rich in carbohydrates and fats. As we know that carbohydrates and fats give us energy. Now, you children also need lots of proteins in your food as you are growing. Means for a growing children, there is a need of proteins, carbohydrates and fats, so you can keep your body proteins which help to grow your body, and carbohydrates and fats which gives you energy. Now, next for adults like our parents. So, adults now completely grown, they need less proteins because they have grown their body. They have adults need less protein than you. So, they only need energy rich food as they have to work, means which contains carbohydrates and fats. Now, old people needs less energy as their physical activity is so less, so they need less of proteins and fats because they didn't work that much, so they didn't need that much energy. So they have to eat the food which contains less food, fats, and proteins. Their diet should include fresh fruits and vegetables so they can easily digest. As I told you, the face is used to roughage help us to digest, so they have to eat fruits and vegetables so they can get proper fiber, and they have a so they could get a proper digestion procedure, which can also which contain light protein like pulses. They can eat fruits and vegetables. Now we will meet in the next video. Till thank you.